Experiencing a frozen screen or no sound on your Mahindra XUV300's infotainment system? First, perform a hard reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the system reboots. This clears temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, check for software updates. Connect to Wi-Fi or use a USB to download the latest official Mahindra updates, which often address bugs causing freezes and sound problems. For no sound, also check the fuses and speaker connections. Make sure to keep your system updated to avoid exploits. If basic troubleshooting fails, consider accessing the diagnostic mode by checking your owner's manual for specific button combinations to view error codes. For hardware issues, professional servicing is recommended to avoid voiding the warranty. Regular software updates are crucial for maintaining system stability and addressing known issues. Mahindra is moving towards AI-driven diagnostics for proactive fixes and enhanced cybersecurity to prevent hacking-related problems. Expect future XUV300 models to feature cloud-based infotainment for improved reliability and reduced hardware failures.